Hey everyone, welcome back to Fluttercraft. Today I'm going to show you how to change the name and icon of your Flutter desktop app. We'll use my app called Billing App V2 as an example and turn it into EazeePaySlip. Let's dive right in. Alright, here's my app, Billing App V2. It's using the default Flutter icon. Let's start by changing the app name. To change the app name, go to Android Studio and navigate to the Windows folder. Open the Runner folder inside the Windows folder. Find the file named main.cpp and open it. Scroll down until you see the line with title that has your existing app name. In my case, it says Billing App V2. Simply change this name to your new app name, EazeePaySlip. Now, click the Run button to test it. As you can see, the app name has been successfully updated. Now let's update our app icon. For a Windows desktop app, we need an icon file in ICO format since it's the required file type for app icons on Windows. If you don't have an ICO file yet, don't worry, it's easy to create one from any image. First, open a browser and search for ICO file converter. There are plenty of free options to choose from, and I'll go with the first site. On the site, click Choose File to upload your image. I've already created an icon image, so I'll select it and tap Open. Once the image is uploaded, just click Start to begin the conversion process. And there it is. Our icon has been converted to an ICO file. Now tap Download, and we have our new app icon ready for use. Now let's add this icon to our project in Android Studio. First, open the downloaded ICO file and copy it. Back in Android Studio, navigate to the Assets folder. I'll create a folder inside called Icons specifically for app icons and paste the icon here. I'll rename it to Appicon, but you can name yours however you like. Now right-click the icon, select Copy Path, and choose Path from Content Root. Next, navigate to the Windows folder, open the Runner folder, and look for a file called runner.rc. Scroll down until you find IDE AppScore icon and the path for the existing app icon. Replace this path with the new path you just copied. Make sure to add // before the path to link it correctly. And paste copied path. And that's it. We've successfully added our new icon to the project. Run the app, and you'll see it now has a brand new icon. And that's it. We've successfully changed both the app name and icon. If you run into any issues while building your Flutter desktop app, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on Flutter app development. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.